bulldozer at the building site. The sun comes up, the sky turns bright. The dozer growls with all its might. Steel tracks grind and engines roar. It's time to push and dig some more. With a mighty blade so wide and strong, it shoves the dirt and rocks along. Clearing space with steady grace, it levels out the working place. Beep, beep, goes the backing sound as workers mark the building ground. The dozer turns and scoops up high. Dusty clouds rise to the sky. Pipes go in and walls rise fast. Foundations set so they will last. But none of this would stand just right without the dozer's strength and might. From dawn till dusk it pulls its load, helping build a brand new road. A playground here, a school next door. The dozer builds and dreams of more. When stars come out and work is through, it parks beside the loader crew. Sleeping under pale moonlight, the hero of the building site.